The equation looks impossible, but it is very easy. Please stay at the end. X equals to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. From here on, it also looks like infinite equation expression. Let x. So equation becomes x equals to square root of 2 plus x. Squaring on both sides. X square equals to square root of 2 plus x whole square. X square equals to 2 plus x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Factorization. We need two numbers whose product should be minus 2 and addition should be minus 1. So let the numbers are minus 1 plus 2. So factorization. X square plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equals to 0. X common, x plus 1 minus 2 common, x plus 1 is equals to 0. X plus 1 common, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Here x plus 1 equals to 0. This implies x equals to minus 1. X minus 2 equals to 0. This implies x equals to plus 2. Since roots are non-negative, so minus 1 rejected. So x equals to plus 2.